Welcome back, guys. Richard Naval French RCs and more. Well, dear, are you ready? I think our mountain's getting a little cold. We need to take these guys down to the fab shop, get some interior work done.
Yep, let's go.
But first, I say we stop and get a pizza.
And coffee. Wait a minute, pizza?
Yeah, breakfast pizza. It's got eggs and sausage and bacon and cheese. And
Wow, who'd have thought?
I don't know what the sauce is, but we'll have to ask. It's probably just cheese.
Hopefully it's just butter sauce or something.
I don't know, we'll find out.
I don't want no damn red sauce in the morning.
Dave's the man.
I don't want no green sauce in the morning.
Green sauce.
Pesto.
Alien sauce? Oh man, this pizza smells amazing. So does the coffee.
Yeah, let's dig in.
Sounds good to me. I'm gonna try and get this thing to lift around. Don't forget, it turns like a Ford with a snowplow.
This is good.
Yeah, that's pretty damn good. I can eat it one-handed and steer the truck.
Dude, the sausage gravy is amazing on this.
Oh yeah, sausage gravy. That's what the sauce was.
Yeah, so it's kind of like biscuits and gravy with your eggs and sausage.
Man. All I gotta say is she's like the Incredible Hulk, man. Look at this shit. We're just torquing right up this mountain. It's a mountain when you got no run at it.
Right?
Alright, now we're out on the highway. Let's turn the radio on, see what's on.
Good morning, America. Good morning, Squirly Town, USA. It is turning out to be another beautiful day with the temperatures down at -6 degrees. But don't worry, folks, it's about to warm up. The weather's changing in the next week. We're gonna go up into the 40s. Springtime is finally here.
Man, I'll be glad when that warm-up shows up. What about you, dear? Shit.
Hell yeah, it's butt-ass cold out here.
Yeah, stupid cold. Stupid wintertime.
Oh, hi, you guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome summer. Oh, I finally got my cabin redone. Hey, Miyagi, man, pass that bong, man. Oh, bong? Oh. Oh. Wow, what an awesome day. It's so pretty. The town's looking awesome. Oh, hi, Joker with a cash register. Wait a minute, Joker with a cash register? Man, that was close. I don't know if that cop seen me or not. I better get the hell out of here. Well, time to go get my winter tires off of my car. Off to Jim's. What a lovely day.
All right, Wayne, you and Scott ready to go drop the cars off in front of the pizza place and go for a cruise?
Sure, let's go.
Yeah, man, I've been ready to drop this car off since last week.
You back there, dear?
Yeah, it's not too bad back here.
Glad to see you're enjoying your Bronco.
Yeah, I'm like checking everything out, you know, because the melt and everything.
Such a beautiful sunset, right everyone?
Yeah, it is.
Man, this place is beautiful. Sunset's great. Happy we was able to get out here and take this cruise up out here and enjoy this scenery. Especially hanging out with a couple buddies.
This thing toasts so nice, like butter.
Definitely drives like it was made to do this.
Yeah, Mark, I can't believe that one small upgrade you did. Turn this pig around.
Sounds come out really nice, John.
Yes, very nice.
Thanks, guys.
Remember last time we was out here just dragging butt trying to get that trailer across town? I can't believe that. Damn good work.
Thanks, brother. Alright, dear, can I have you just park over there by the pizza place next to Jim's, out of the way.
Alright.
Well, I hope Joey likes his new face of his building.
Today's episode brought to you by Rockwolf Tires. The most aggressive tires on the market. Like a wolf. A Rockwolf. Well, now we are here and the Eagle has landed. It's time to get ready for our annual August cruise and go cruise around the town. And I don't know where the hell you found these Jinko 40s, dear, but they are absolutely epic.
Wayne, get the dab rig ready, man. I think we need to load up.
Oh, yeah, online.
Man, they're comfortable. Reminds me of being a kid again. I can stick a whole PlayStation 1 in my back pocket.
Yeah, I found them on eBay.
Freaking awesome. All right, I'm gonna get this thing fired up and off the trailer. Well, now that I got this over here by the pool hall, let's go move the hot rod. Time to take it for a cruise. Want to go for a cruise in it? At least drop you off up the block at the Power Wagon?
Hell yeah, let's go for a cruise.
And of course we had to have matching cars, me and the missus.
Of course, couldn't decide because we both love blue.
Right, and hot rods.
So we had to put my sticker on the back,
Yep, so we could tell them apart.
just like the Broncos.
What do you think, Scott?
Man, you guys cleaned them up real nice. They're looking sharp this time.
Thanks, bro. I'm gonna drop you guys off at the Power Wagon. I think Joker had a surprise for you or something.
I'm guessing he didn't give you any clues.
Nope.
Yeah, I'm not the only person that doesn't trust him, right? Because, yeah, I guess there's only one way to find out. No, I'm driving.
All right, we'll meet you guys at the Stop and Rob when you're done.
Alright, I'm gonna pull up over here by April's Hobbies.
Well, Joker just called. Something about a house. Hopefully he didn't rig it with explosives or something messed up like that. Wanna go check it out, Scott?
Oh, man, let's go hit it up.
Oh, hi, you guys. I hope you have an awesome summer. Oh, that's some killer fucking weed.
Hold on, Scott. First things first. You're it.
Well, dear, time to go to the pot store and see Mr. Miyagi.
Alright, I'll meet you there.
Oh, hi, you guys.
Hi.
Hi, Mr. Miyagi.
I hope you guys are enjoying the summer.
Oh yes, thank you.
Stupid mosquitoes, that's all I gotta say.
Right.
I am not enjoying the stupid mosquitoes. They're the size of pterodactyls. Man, there's no sign of that Batman anywhere. Maybe I'll be able to steal this sign. Screw you, Batman.
Alright, I gotta close down the store.
Well there, Mike. I got the beer cooler stocked. Can I have my beer now for working?
Sure, Batman. I don't see why not.
Can you tell your dog to quit staring at me like I'm food?
It's 'cause you got treats in your pocket.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the duck jerky. Here you go, buddy.
Oh, have a good night, you guys. I'll see you guys later.
Alright, Mr. Miyagi, have a good night.
Have a good night, Mr. Miyagi.
Let's go get a coffee.
All right, dear, that sounds awesome. Let's go get a couple of white zombies. Or are they green zombies? Oh.
Green, the way we like it.
Hell yeah.
Hi, I want to order 2 green zombies, please.
Okay, do you want whipped cream with that?
No whipped cream, please. Thanks.
Okay, that'll be 10:32.
Alright, here you go.
Thank you. Come again.
Damn, have you seen the prices at this Stop and Rob?
Wow.
They're really high.
Right?
I think we better let Wayne and Scott know we're going to the other Stop and Rob. They're probably not going to know where to go because there used to be only one.
Alright, I'll give him a jingle. Hey guys, meet us at the old school Stop and Rob.
Alright, no problem. See you there.
Wayne and Scott said they're gonna be a minute because Joker's holding them up. It looks like we're paying for somebody else's EV truck at that other one. The prices are too high.
One of them cyber trucks.
Yeah, I seen one around town.
Was the guy driving a spacesuit?
Yeah, I think he had like a helmet on.
I'm gonna go down to the Summit RC store and order some Summit parts for the race cars.
Alright, cool.
Well, damn it. Looks like they're closed. I'll just have to wait till another time to order them parts. Well, I wonder where Wayne and Scott are. They were supposed to meet us here.
I don't know.
Maybe he meant literally holding them up.
Oh no.
Well, shit. Guess this one's closed. Should we go check the other one?
Man, we need to hurry up and get to that other one. We almost out of beer. Hopefully they ain't closed down like this one.
Oh, here they are.
Sorry, we got a little burnt. Thought you meant the other Stop and Rob. Well, so is yours closed too?
Nope, they're open. Alright, now that we're all here, it's time for bong hits. Celebrate the fact that we finally got the town all put together. In the beginning of the video, you guys will see exactly how far the town has come and how it started. There was no windows, no doors. The front faces were falling apart, falling off, cracked, broken, full of bugs, etc. The weather has not been kind to the town in the last few years. And behind us is the original Stop and Rob that you've seen at the beginning of the video that I drove by with the truck and trailer in the snow. So take a close look at what's become of that little building. And thank you guys so much for being a part of our community. Hope you guys have enjoyed the show and enjoyed seeing what has become of the little town along the way. We will see you guys in the next video. Peace.